Welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, as I said, it's Christmas and we know that we have to come up with different ideas for Christmas. Well, I'm gonna give you a nice, lovely recipe for Christmas, guys. You're gonna love this one. I'm gonna show you how you can do some nice, lovely pieces of fried chicken for your Christmas. It's one of the #1 recipe which I want to share with you for a long time. I have the opportunity to share with you, and I'm gonna marinate the chicken how to show you how to do some lovely fried chicken for Christmas dinner. So I'm gonna marinate the chicken and I'm gonna put it down for it to soak, and also I'm gonna show you how to fry it. I'm gonna do the video now how to make the chicken marinated for 24 hours before you fry it on Christmas Day. Well, this is the best way you can marinate the chicken, your fried chicken for Christmas dinner, and that's the #1 way from Chef Ricardo. If you want to try it at home, guys, try it. It's one of the best way to do your chicken for Christmas dinner, fried chicken. I'm gonna give you the recipe how to marinate it now, and also you're gonna see how to fry it. So it's a nice recipe. Hopefully you enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you think it's a nice recipe. Please write your comments in the comments box. That's okay, I'll correct myself. 2 kilos of chicken cut up into some pieces, leg pieces and the hip pieces of the chicken. And I'm gonna marinate the chicken, or you can fry it for your Christmas dinner. First of all, I have a half of an onion right here, as you can see. And I'm gonna just simple, cut it up very small. And I'm doing this from scratch, straight right on the chicken. Lovely. This is a large spring onion, and I'm just gonna simply use this piece inside of it right here, fresh and nice from the Caribbean. Straight in it, just like this. Some fresh thyme, really fresh and nice, guys. Trust me. I just cut off the top part of the thyme. Straight inside of it, not too much, because you don't want the thyme to overtake the flavor. I got half bottle of hot pepper sauce. I'm gonna put it straight on it. Hot pepper sauce, you can get it at local shop, supermarket. I'm gonna put half of it in it on the chicken. Lovely and nice. I got some ginger, blend up ginger. I'm gonna put this pinch of ginger on it. And I have some blend up garlic. I'm gonna put a large spoon of it, just like this. And also I have some blend up pimento seed, pimento. I'm gonna put 1 spoon of it, just like this. And it really nice, guys. We're gonna love this recipe, trust me, because this recipe is just a normal recipe when you're doing a fried chicken for Christmas dinner. I'm gonna put a little coarse pepper on it, just a little pinch of coarse pepper. Then let's go down to the season bit now. We're gonna put some meat seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. That's 1 spoon of all-purpose seasoning right here. Lovely. Another nice spoon. So we put on all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna put on some meat seasoning now. 1, 2 teaspoons of meat seasoning. Now we're gonna put on some paprika now. 1, 2 large spoons of paprika. Lovely and nice, guys. Then next, what you need to do, you need to put on some oil. I'm using some vegetable oil. Lovely and nice. If you got the gloves, it's very important to use gloves to marinate the chicken. What you're gonna do, you're gonna marinate it and put it down for 24 hours for it to soak. Then you fry it. If you want me to fry it for you guys, you can write it in the description and I will fry it and show you how you're gonna be looking when you fry it. When you're gonna fry your chicken, all you need is a big packet full of oil and flour. You season up your flour with all of this seasoning, where you see I'm using, if you don't have that kind of season which I'm using to marinate my chicken, you also can use your season where you normally put on your chicken to marinate your chicken. Next, we're gonna simply do, so I'm gonna just simply put a roughly just a pinch of milk on it. So what I normally do now, if I'm gonna fry the chicken right now, when you're gonna fry your chicken, you need to break at least 4 eggs on it and beat the egg and break it straight on it and rub it up together. But I'm just marinating it now, and the milk gonna make a difference also inside of it. So for you guys, if you want me to fry the chicken, I'm just showing you now how to marinate it. If you want me to fry it, please write it in the description box and I will definitely try to show you. So now I'm gonna just marinate the chicken with all of those lovely seasonings which you just put on it. Looking so lovely and nice. This is the Christmas fried chicken for your dinner. We don't need to add any salt. All of those seasonings which we just use have a lot of salt, guys, so you don't need any salt. But as I can see, the difference with the chicken at the moment, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply put another spoon of paprika. Lovely and nice. Paprika, you can get it at the local shop, supermarket. But as I can see, the chicken looking so lovely. Look inside of the bowl. Really marinated and really good. So all you need to do, if you have a big fridge, get the file or your clean film it and put it in your fridge for it to soak for 24 hours. If you need me to fry this chicken, guys, please write it in the description box and I will definitely fry it and show you how it's gonna be coming out and look like. So as I can see, all the chicken looking lovely and nice. So if you're gonna fry your chicken, all you need to do is to break 4 eggs inside of it and simply get another bowl, put roughly 5 cups of flour, plain flour, and put all of those seasoning where you see I used to marinate the chicken and fry your chicken. All you need to do now is to clean film it and put it straight inside of your fridge and make it soak. If not, you can put it into a meat bag and make it seal and put it in your fridge for 24 hours just to get it soaked. So guys, enjoy the tips and the recipe for your Christmas fried chicken right here. So all these pieces, you can cut them small if you do like, but the leg them is very fine so far. As I can see, the way the chicken looking so lovely and nice. So this is the Christmas fried chicken recipe, guys, for your Christmas dinner. Enjoy the recipe, and as I say, we have a lot more recipe coming out for you from Chef Ricardo. Really nice. Look at that, beautiful. And as you can see, I put the milk in it, and as you can see, everything what done, and the skin of the chicken is removed. I wash it off with some lemon, or you can use white vinegar to wash your meat. That's fine, whatever you like, guys. And as I say, the same season we use to marinate your chicken at home, you can use it and do the same thing what I'm doing right here, and your chicken will look the same way. Enjoy the recipe, and as I say, we have a lot more recipe coming up for you. Bye bye.